to our haunted mansion holiday. Every night, when the air is deathly still, that is the time when ghosts are present, practicing their terror with ghoulish delight. But tonight, in honor of the arrival of Sandy Claus, they have gathered for a Ghoul-tide celebration that they hope will raise your spirits. You're all invited as they cast their eerie glow upon the mansion to light the way for Sandy Claus. Join us and scream along. Have a frightfully good evening. Scary Christmas to all, and to all, good night.
It's time for our holiday tale to begin. There's no turning back now. Please, come all the way in. Our holiday tale is a tale that's quite charming, but during this season, it's sometimes alarming. So relax and reflect. Feel free to take pause while we tell you a tale about dear Sandy Claus. 'Twas the nightmare before Christmas, and all through the house. Not a creature was peaceful, not even a mouse. The stockings, all hung by the chimney with care, when opened that morning, would cause such a scare. The children, nestled all snug in their beds, would have nightmares of monsters and skeleton heads.
Jack Skellington came here from Halloween Town. You'll notice his handiwork scattered around. This year he's decided to play Sandy Claus. But when Halloween creates Christmas, you might see a few flaws. And now, a dark cat will take you away. Sit back, rest in peace, in the black Christmas rain. Your strength will accommodate one or two more. You're prepared for Jack as in stone.
Must sit safe in their seats and keep in their sleigh all hands, arms, legs, or feet. Si cuidas a tus niños, todo marchará felizmente. Los fantasmas deben quedarse en su asiento. Y en el nochecito, mantener brazos, manos, pies y adentro. More rapid than roaches, the mansion was changed. All was soon covered, adorned, and deranged. And what to your wondering eyes disappears. is Jackson, the post-dog reindeer. Nothing here was forgotten. It all looked so pleasant. Often Jackson's makes a fine Christmas present. Plans makes a wonderful ring. But as long as you don't get caught in such a Jack's holiday ritual was unlike no other. So ring out the bells. There's more cheer to uncover.
Future and transcending. 11 candles floating. The scent of mystery in the air. 10 telling tea leaves that swirl with secrets yet to share. On the 9th day of Christmas, my good love gave to me 9 magic crystals that sparkle with the force of his word. Each ball of colors glides
With some treats and some games, you make a scene merry. Why, even a gingerbread house could see his did materialize like a nightmarish painting by Currier and Ives. On his back. They were strange and bizarre. On the attack.
Season's greetings, everyone!
Welcome to Boogie's Holiday Trick Century. Round and round she goes. What's your gift to Oogie knows?
Please hurry back. We can't wait till next year. And I heard him exclaim as he drove out of sight. Hurry back. Hurry back. Be sure to bring your Santa Claus sack. I'll be waiting to open